guys? What's going on, guys? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J here on Kicks and Beats, and I was just enjoying a delicious cream puff brought to you by Beard Poppins. I just had to let you guys know because that was pretty damn good. I tried their creme brulee the other day. Mwah. But anyways, this video is not about that. This video is about one of the best Yeezys ever invented. Oh my gosh, this is just incredible. And my reasoning for this, not just because it's a 350 and we all love them, but because this is a normal colorway, guys. You know Kanye West is used to giving us like these unique colorways we're not familiar with these other brands, you know? But bro, you gotta have some normal colorways as well. That's how I feel personally, at least, and he actually did with this one pair here. It originally came out, I believe, like 3 or 4 years ago. A big restock finally took place, and while I still took an L on the internet, I finally got myself a pair via eBay. And thank you guys over at eBay. Shout out to you guys, because you guys authenticate sneakers now with the help of SneakerCon. It's just a brilliant idea, beautiful thing. Anyways, let's get to it, because this is the Yeezy 350 V2 Bred. And yes, for those who don't know, red is my favorite color of all time. And you don't really get that out of Yeezy sneakers. Hint, Kanye. Hint, Yeezy brand. We need more reds, please. Especially on the 700 V3, that would be so sick. But anyways, let's unbox this. Let's unbox this bad boy real quick. Show you that up close and personal. 350 V2 Bred. I can't believe it's here. God, I can't believe it's here. I can't believe it's here. This is like, even though my favorite silhouette of all time is the 700 V3, this still has to be like up there with them, in my opinion. This is like one of my top 10 favorite Yeezys of all time. Well, I can say top 5 because there hasn't been too many 700 V3 colorways as of yet, but yeah. This can only drop down on the list as more 700 V3 colorways comes out, but as of now, this is going to be on the top of my list. You get this when you purchase off eBay. I guess it just basically explains how to use the NFC enabled device in which the sneaker will come with when you make your purchase. I'm going to show you that right now. Yes, Kanye did it with a red pair. He actually did. But anyways, check out the tag, authenticity guaranteed. This is what you're going to get. You can basically put your phone right next to it. It'll scan, give you the details. So you won't have to worry when getting one of these off of somebody, you know? Oh man, this is beautiful. The Bred colorway. Yes, this is oh my god, this is beautiful. I can't even wait, man. I'm giving you that on foot right now. Let's get to it. I'd like to show you how these shoes look outside, but I don't think this looks like the type of day where you would want to wear 350 V2, so we're gonna skip on that. Alright, I just wanted to mention a couple more details because, you know, I was just too hyped. I had to put these on, but when I received these, instead of like a normal string, I have this right here. This material they use this time, and just to show you the tags, how it looks. Yeah, there you go. My true to size is 10.5. I like grabbing Yeezys in size 11. Unless it's a 700 V3, then I just go with size 11.5 at this point. I learned my lesson last time I took a size 11. Alright, well, it's time to wrap up the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video today. And stay tuned because we're so close to having 1,000 subscribers, and that's when I plan on doing the second giveaway. It's gonna be nuts, just as nuts as the first one. So you already know what time it is. It's your boy Broadway J, and I'm out. Take care, y'all.